Hi guys! So, papasok ako ngayon, pupunta ako ngayon sa aking Fashion Design 3 class para, you know, mag-aral. Joke. Sige na. Update na naman ko kayo ulit mamaya, kaya yeah, bye! Hi guys! So, ipapakita ko na naman sa inyo ang aming project dito sa aking design class. So, ito yung project ni Claudia. Nandun siya. So, let's start with this mood board.
So these two are the series work of Kiefer's. That's based on a poem from Celan. It's called Death Fugue. And I tried to imitate the straw feeling out of these yarns, and I made them in pastel ink here, so it's like has a texture. And this is my fabric board: silk, cotton, silk. This is a rubber fabric that's actually really interesting. A fake leather yarns. And this is the lineup of my project. This project is a competition project for Comme des Garçons.
Comme des Garçons.
Yeah. So this is my lineup, and we get to choose one of the garments we want to do for the front, side, and back.
Yep. So this is the one that our teacher picked for Claudia to make.
And we also did the flats for that.
So front, sides, back.
And these are just all other garments that didn't get chosen.
Yeah, look at the drawings. So cool. Oh, I like these. And then these.
This is a print I made for.
Which look is this for?
Here. Here.
This one is for this look.
And here.
And
it's just a really hard render fabric. And this is
what kind of fabric is this?
Leather, fake leather, full leather.
With how did you print it?
Just normal pigment ink.
Is it photographic?
Yeah, photographic. And here you can see
and then
this is the sample for like the sleeve here.
I see. Cool. And then these are the actual garments that Claudia actually made for this project.
Without the sleeve because I don't have time to finish it. But here's a shirt of it with the rubber fabric, and I use surface embroidery.
So these are yarns that are, how do you explain this? How did you make it? Like embroidered?
Yeah, they just hand stitch basically, surface stitching. And then this is a jacket for the look.
Yeah. And then she made
the pants fit.
The pants as well.
Yeah.
And that's Claudia's design. So ito naman yung aking collection. Ang aking inspiration ay elephant. Yan yung aking mood board. Sabi nila kapag mood board daw dapat direct to the point. So magagets nila agad kung ano yung inspiration mo. So my inspiration is elephants. So may elephant siya dyan. Tapos, ito naman yung aking colors and fabric. These are mostly linens. Tapos, ito ay isang, hindi ko alam kung anong fabric to. Tsaka ito yung colors ko, tsaka yung zipper na gagamitin ko. Ito naman ang aking line-up. So, tatlo. At tsaka tatlo dyan. So ito ay parang competition siya para sa Comme des Garçons. Parang nabanggit ko na siya dati sa isa kong vlog nung pumunta kami sa SF MoMA. Kapag kilala yun yung CDG, Comme des Garçons, usually yung mga style na parang androgyny, di ba? So ito yung napili ng aking teacher na gawin ko. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung garment na ginawa ko para sa kanya. Tapos ito naman yung mga iba. So, as you look closely, yung face niya parang nakakatakot. Ayan. So, para siyang elepante. In short. So, yan yung mga flats niya. Ito yung front, sides, at saka back. Tapos, ito yung mga fabric manipulation ko na ginawa. Itong fabric manipulation na to ay para dito sa look na ito. Tapos ito naman ay para sa napiling gagawin ko na garment. Ito. Tapos itong brown na ito ay para dito sa sleeves na to. Tapos ito namang crinkled na maroon na ito para dito. Para dyan. Para doon. Tapos ito naman yung parang blind shield na effect na yan. Ito ay actually parang ganito rin siya. Yung ganyan. Ganon. So itong look na ito, ayan, ay ito na siya. Masyado siyang malaki para dito sa mannequin na to, kasi pang women's tong mannequin na to eh. Ito menswear siya. Imagine niyo kung paano ko ginawa to, 'di ba? Ang daming details. So hindi pa siya tapos completely. So, kailangan ko pang lagyan siya ng interfacing sa loob para maging matigas. Gusto mo 'yon? So, 'yan yung aking inspiration. So, 'yan yung aking collection sa second project ko dito sa Academy of Art para sa Design 3, Level 3. So, yeah. Sana nagustuhan nyo naman. Ganun. Ito siya mga best. Ito yung aking actual 3D sample. Wow, Claudia, work it.